geographers, let's have another geography lesson. Last week, we learned a little bit about this important geographic tool. This is called a globe. Right. A globe is a small model of a round, big Earth. Before we go on, let's make sure we are sure that we remember our vocabulary from last week. So this is a globe, right? A globe is a model of the Earth. What is the Earth? Well, this is the Earth. This is our planet right here, okay? This entire thing is a model of Earth, the third planet from the sun. All right, so now on the globe, there are some special features. The big areas of land are called continents. That's right, continents. And the blue areas, and I hope you notice how much blue there is. The blue area stands for the oceans. There are 5 major oceans. There are 7 continents. Today, we're going to move on from the globe, and we are going to consider another very important tool of a geographer called a map. All right, so I'm going to show you an example of a map. Here is a map right here, just a simple map of the Evergreen Cemetery. Evergreen Cemetery is a cemetery that is right across from Harborview. So, let's take a look here. I'm going to open this little pamphlet up so you can see. Here is the map of the cemetery right here. Look at that. And let's compare it to the globe. All right. Which one's easier to carry? The map. Exactly. When you look at a globe as a model of the Earth, let me show you another map. This is a map of the world, and this is a globe showing the world. Well, take a look. When you look at the globe, you can only see one side of the planet. But when you look at a map of the world, you can see the entire world stretched out. It's flat. It's like a picture of what you can see from above. So they are a little bit different that way. Now, when we look at maps, and I'm going to switch the camera so that you can see a little easier. So hang on, you're going for a ride. And I got to make you go upside down. There you go. So when we look at maps, there are all kinds of maps. This is a map of the world, and it shows the entire world. Here are the 7 continents: North America, South America, that's 2, Africa, 3, Little Europe, 4, Asia, the biggest continent, 5, Australia, 6, and way down here, Antarctica is the 7th. All right, so there's our continents, and you can see on our map there are oceans. Here's the Great Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean. The Southern Ocean is number 4, and look way up here, up by Alaska, the Arctic Ocean, far to the north. Okay, so this is a map of the world. When we look at maps, we could look at a map of the world. We can also zoom in a little bit closer. Let me show you another map. This is a map. Oops, let me get past that one. Oh, it's on the back side. There we go. This is a map of a country. We could just zoom in on a country. This is part of North America, and I zoomed in. We could even look at just a map of Alaska, a state. We can zoom in even more. Look at this. We could look at a map. We could have a map of a neighborhood. Again, a map is a picture of what an area looks like from up above. So imagine you are a bird flying above Lincoln Park. This is what it looks like from above. You can see there's the park. Looks like there's a little pond, and there are some houses here and some roads. Friends, you can get even closer. Look at this. You could make a map of your bedroom. Look at that. You can see the walls. And again, this is like you are hanging from the light on the ceiling and looking down. You can see where the door is and the desk and the chair. And look at, there's the bed and there's the person. So maps are pretty important tools for geographers to have a picture of an area from up above. All right, so again, maps and globes are a little bit different. On a globe, all you can see is just Earth. A map, you can see states, you can see continents, you can even see bedrooms. Let's take a look at your geography packet for this week. All right, so it looks like this, and up at the top it says, what is a map? All right, right over here, it gives you a definition of what the map is. I want you to notice on this picture, because you're going to use this picture to help you answer the questions that are in the packet. You can see two continents, North America and South America. You can see, remember, continents are the big areas of land on our planet. You can see the oceans, the Arctic Ocean, the Pacific, and the Atlantic. Okay, you can see 3 oceans and 2 continents. There's something else that's different on this map. I want you to notice these 4 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. The words in them, north, east, south, west. These are the 4 directions, north, east, south, west. We usually read them in clockwise order, north, east, south, west. I know that some people try to remember this saying, never for north, eat for east, to help them remember, never eat, S, soggy, that means wet, and W stands for waffles. People use that little reminder, never eat soggy waffles, to remember never is north, eat is east, soggy is south, and waffles is west. They go in the order of the clock, the arms of the clock. Okay, these are the 4 directions. You can see that this piece of land, North America, is this direction from South America. Look at that. It is north. If I am over here in Alaska, and this is Alaska right here, if I want to go to this side, I am traveling east. Look at this side is east. If I am on this far tip here of South America and I want to go down further, I am going south. Okay? These directions point to the 4 directions, north, east, south, and west. All right, today, my friends, you are going to take a look at the 5 days of questions. Remember, you're going to answer all 5 days of questions in one day. It's not that hard. You're awesome geographers. So let's take a look at the questions. I would like you to use the map to help you. Monday, is a map flat or round? Talked about that. What does this map show? They're talking about this one. Is it all of the earth or part of the earth? Okay, you are going to circle the things they see on the map. Wednesday, a short answer. Then let's look at your Thursday, Friday questions, which again, you're doing all in one day. Which ocean is in the north? So friends, you're going to use the direction here. You're going to find which one of these oceans is the most north. Which ocean is in the west? Okay. Which continent looks bigger? All right. So you're going to answer Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And you are going to do the challenge. The challenge says color North America green, color South America yellow, color the oceans blue. If you live in North America, make a red X on it. If you do. Okay, geographers, that's it. That is it for today. Our quick look at maps. And if you are at home, and you might ask your parents, hey, Mom and Dad, do you have a map we could look at together? Have fun!